You may be able to work from home, but we can't. Yeah, I know, our daily routines have been uprooted, and who knows what else is next.
Are you wearing my robe again?
Right? But just like you, here at Tuffy, we choose to press on and do what we do best. Whether it be fixing flats, oil changes, or aligning a new front end, we're your trusted source for all brake, tire, tune-up, and repair work. So the point of this video, which was created with our local employees, families, and help from some local talent, is this. We want to help you. The first responders, the essentials, the non-essentials. So take advantage of our lockdown, lowdown pricing and get an oil change for $34.99, which includes a multi-point inspection, free tire rotation, free brake inspection, and don't forget, for a limited time offer, get 12 months no interest fee financing on larger auto repair work that you've been putting off.
Hey, get in here. It's your turn to be the teacher for a while.